How much is 1 USDT in Kraken? Intro. Hey everyone, you're standing in front of a bustling cryptocurrency exchange, surrounded by screens flashing numbers and charts. You're here to answer a simple question: how much is 1 USDT in Kraken? Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at the cryptocurrency market, wondering if it's time to invest? Maybe you've heard of USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. But how much is it actually worth on platforms like Kraken? Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Before we get to the numbers, let's understand what USDT is. It's a digital token designed to maintain a stable value of $1. This stability makes it a popular choice for traders looking to hedge against market volatility. Kraken, on the other hand, is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's known for its security, liquidity, and a wide range of trading pairs. So, when we ask, how much is 1 USDT in Kraken, we're essentially inquiring about the exchange rate between USDT and other cryptocurrencies on the Kraken platform. Factors affecting the price. The price of 1 USDT in Kraken isn't fixed. It can fluctuate based on several factors. Market demand and supply. If more people are buying USDT, its price might increase relative to other cryptocurrencies. Conversely, if more people are selling USDT, its price might decrease. Global economic conditions. Macroeconomic factors like interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical events can influence the overall cryptocurrency market, including the price of USDT. Technical analysis. Traders often use technical indicators like moving averages and relative strength index, RSI, to analyze price trends and make predictions. News and announcements. Any news related to USDT, Kraken, or the broader cryptocurrency market can impact the price. Checking the real-time price. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. To find out the exact price of 1 USDT in Kraken at any given moment, you have a few options. Visit the Kraken website, go to Kraken's website and look for the USDT/USD trading pair. The current price will be displayed. Use a cryptocurrency tracking app. There are numerous mobile apps that provide real-time price updates for various cryptocurrencies, including USDT on Kraken. Check cryptocurrency news websites. Many financial news outlets regularly report on cryptocurrency prices, including the price of USDT on Kraken. Example scenario. Let's say you're looking at the Kraken website and you see that the price of 1 USDT is currently listed as $0.9985 US. This means that for every 1 USDT you have, you can exchange it for approximately $0.9985 US on Kraken. Additional considerations. While the price of 1 USDT in Kraken is relatively stable compared to other cryptocurrencies, it's important to remember that the market can be unpredictable. It's always a good idea to do your own research and consider the risks involved before investing in cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. So, how much is 1 USDT in Kraken? The answer is, it depends on the current market conditions. However, by understanding the factors that influence the price and using the tools available, you can easily find out the real-time value of USDT on Kraken. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.